Hello class, we have read in previous video about the human activities which is classified into three categories: business, profession and employment. Later on through this video we will discuss what is the concept of business. As we know, business, it is derived from word busy. Busy means always active with some actions, but for business term we can define it as an economic activity which is regularly engaged in production or purchase and sales of goods and services to satisfy human needs with an aim to earn profit. It means when any person who enjoy with a economic activities and earns in terms of monetary gain on the regular basis, then this type of activity is called business activity. So, for an example, you can say our mother, as a housewife, she cooks daily, and for this work she does not earn, only she gets satisfactions, but same type of job, cooking for a supply of tipping to office, then she will earn on the regular basis. Her work is now known as business work. So we will see here what is the features of business. First, it is an economic activity. Business, production, procurement of goods and services. Business is what? Either you can produce or you can procure goods and services. Business is what? Sale or exchange of goods and services. Either we sell our product or services, or we exchange our goods from others through the business. Business, it deals in goods and services on regular basis, but okay, if we do on the regular basis, then it is business. If there is irregularity, then we can not justify the activity is a business activity. It's a business features is main motive is profit earning. And then it's a feature, here is uncertainty of return. In the business, you see every time there is a risk. Today, a business personality who is working for earning something on the regular basis, but there is no limitations of earning. It may in increasing order or it may decrease as in profit. That's why there is a risk of earning, uncertainty of profit. Now, the objectives of business is either it has economic objective or social objectives. In the head of economic objectives, the business has first one, its objective to earn profit more and more. Second, in market establishment, there is on regular basis, if we do any business and business is running in profit, it will give the stand stability in the market. Third objective is innovations. In business, we take our actions day by day with innovative ideas. We search for new process to do the business and make maximum profit. Next one, optimum utilization of resources. And now see, the economic objective is to utilize all resources which are applicable to our business, like man, material, machines, finance, everything. The useful actions done with all resources. This is the objectives of business. You can say optimum utilization of resources through the business. It is the economic objectives of business. The increased productivity. Now, business organization, when it earns profit on regular basis, there is a large scope to increase their productivity, to increase the business. Now, some social objectives also of a business. First one, supply of quality product and services. If we produce or procure goods or services, our ambition is to give a quality products to our customer. That's why they will support for longer time to our product and we will earn for that. Employees welfare. This is the second objectives of business. Inside the organization or each and every employee has some need of social achievement, like the arrangement of their children's for educations, for health care, social status. These all objectives are fulfilled by the running organization. That's why this is the objective of any business organization. Social welfare. Yes, business organization, if it runs smoothly and earns more and more, so for social wing, there is a development of society. It is a great need to any business house. So they can arrange the education program for children, health program for community, game and sports activity done by the organizations time to time, and some on festivals arrangement. These all are done by the business organizations. These are the social welfare objectives of business. And now, next is follow socially inclined and fair trade practice. And now, business has one motto is also here to behave with all clients on equal basis and take fair trade with them. Trade practice will be fair and helpful. This is the objective of the business. And last, provide employment. This is the good activity of any business organizations to provide employment for others, or you can say through the employment the people get enjoyment with the organization. They had the job and they do with the organization. So employment opportunity is done by the business house. This is the also objective of any business. Now we will see the role of profit inside the organization. First one, to survival. Business will survive for a long time only when the organization will earn profit on regular basis. So survival is the first criteria fulfilled by the earning profits. Second one, efficiency measuring tools. Now, which organization has more profit? It depends on their performance, their efficiencies. So this is the profit making. It is also a tool, like a tool to measure the organizational efficiency. Facilitate future growth and expansions. After earning profit, the organization can facilitate, they can produce more and more, they provide service more and more, and there is a great chance to growth the organization, to expand the organizations. Thank you.